Have you ever used AI and read the answer and thought, that sounds right, but I'm not sure? Here's how I double check it in about 30 seconds without spiraling. Most people make one or two mistakes with AI. They either trust it too fast or they overcheck everything and waste an hour. What you want is a middle path. I call it trust but check. And I'm going to show you a simple three-step check I use almost any time an answer matters. No technical skills and no rabbit holes. All right, let's say I ask AI a question and it gives me an answer that sounds confident. Let's try something like this. What is the fastest growing sport in America in 2026? Okay, here we go. And notice that step one is not a Google search. Step one is make AI show its work. All right, so now we're going to type in another prompt. This is like step one, and we're going to let it respond to it. So the first step one prompt is the following. Before I trust this, list the three key claims you're making in this answer. And also note that we are using Copilot as our AI engine today. Here's what we're going to do. Click OK. And Copilot's coming back and saying, absolutely, let's distill the three core claims I made in that answer so you can evaluate them clearly. All right, this is huge because now you're not checking everything. You're checking the few things that actually matter. All right, so step two, I am going to ask for a confidence check. Not a vibe, but a specific weak point. All right, so for this next step, part two, or step two, is I'm going to put in the following prompt. What part of your answer is most likely to be wrong or outdated? And then we'll just hit go. And now here you see you've got a target. You're not spiraling, you're verifying one thing. Okay, so now it's step three. Step three is the fastest. I simply ask AI, where can I verify quickly? All right, so now here's the final step. I'm going to put in this prompt. Give me two reputable sources or official places to confirm the key point. So let's go ahead and click go. Now you can confirm the important part in minutes. And if it's not important, you stop. All right, so here's my 30-second rule. Number one, list the key claims. Number two, tell me what might be wrong. And number three, point me to where I can verify. You don't need to be perfectly certain. You just need enough confidence to move forward without wasting your day. If you want simple ways to use AI without giving up your judgment, you'll find a home here. Subscribe if you want clarity without the noise.